In a time like this, in this country, where everybody is trying day and night, seeking for survival, seeking to live, every day, every night, everyone is looking for who will assist me and who will help me. Even the government are looking for assistance. Even the government. Because in the day of Israel, the king of Samaria is the government of the people. Amen? Amen. Is the government of the people. And the woman approached his own king and said, help me. The king said to him, I'm even looking for God to help me. Now, if God can't help you, I can't. As you run to me, I am running to God. So we might let all of us run together. But now, why do you seek an assistance from me? He says, sir, this woman asked me to bring my son. That we may eat him today, so that tomorrow we will eat his own son. He has come to a point that nothing works. No food, nothing helps to survive. All we need to survive is give me your own son. Tomorrow I go. Let's begin to eat human flesh time after time. So help me at this point. So I need your assistance at this point. God said, the man said to me, only God can help. The person you are looking to help you is looking for you also to help you. The person you cry to is looking for who he will cry to. The person you are complaining to is looking to who he will complain to. At this time, nobody is saying. By human economics, we are not. By human management, we are not. By government resources, we are not. No more hope from the farm. No more hope. We have lose everything. But the king will reply, except the Lord help you, no man can. So I think possibly you are hoping that this year they will add a little money to your salary. And to your greatest surprise,